practice makes a man perfect. So having a consistency in your preparation makes the thing better. At the earlier stage of your preparation, people may say that this is not of your job. Don't take this kind of words seriously, because it may hamper your preparation. Absolutely nothing else. It only can have the one eligibility criteria that can spoil your purpose, that can spoil your preparation tone, that can spoil your confidence level, because you have started this journey just by thinking that you can clear this exam, you can clear this particular exam with flying colors. Lots of desiredness within yourself still there, and you are capable of handling all those difficulties, all those roughness, all those impediments available on your pathway. So you have to be consistent with your preparation. You know, water drops pierce stone. This is a very, very practical statements. If you are consistent with your preparation at the present time, you may think that this is not your job. Even you sometimes feel that I can't do it. But is this mean that you cannot do it? No, absolutely not. If you are consistent with your preparation, you can clear all the stages in any particular exam with flying colors. There are multiple examples available that can clearing an exam does not necessarily mean that you should have a very high profile knowledge, right? Only thing matters, that is consistency. So be consistent with your preparation. And one important thing is that whatever the schedule you have already made, this is okay. But it is not the correct way to think or to compare with others. That what do you think? What is your goal? What is your reaching point to achieve the success? Do you think that if someone else has already achieved the success, that particular form, that particular schedule, that particular routine is very good for you? Will it work for you? Is it absolutely fine for you? Absolutely not. Your potential, your perseverance, your practice, your efficiency solely depends on you. So, you have to make a schedule which perfectly works for you. But initially, people generally does not have enough confidence to make a schedule that is different from others, absolutely different from others, or in some other way I can say that this is a very new. No one has got selected by following whatever routine or whatever the schedule he or she is making right now or makes. The practical purpose, one has to understand that everyone's fingerprint is different. Just like that, you have to follow that if you want to achieve success in life, your plan of action, your schedule is very, very different from others. Not necessarily, but yes, most of the time it works. At times it may be seen that someone is studying for 10 hours. Someone is studying for only 3 hours. In a day I am talking about only 3 hours. Yes, it's practical. But whoever is taking less time clear the exam with flying colors. But not the first person I have just mentioned. What is the reason? The first person's intention was not very clear, or achieving the success or reaching the particular goal, his dream or her dream is not very prominent, or that particular person is not confident about his potential. If he or she is not confident about one's potential, that means what? You are already doubting yourself by now. It should not be the case. At the very first moment, you have to well confident about yourself that you can clear it. Whatever your desireness, you have to follow the pathway that yes, I am the person, I can do it. Always keep belief in yourself. That serves the most of the purpose. If you believe in yourself, obviously you have to work hard, you have to be consistent, you have to practice more. Along with, you have to keep belief in yourself. If you believe in yourself, most of the work is done. Whatever the rest of the percentage, be it perseverance, be it confidence level, that is automatically done. That is to some extent the similar way or the similar in meaning, you can say. If you initially perform or initially you can think or you feel that believeness is the key, you have to believe in yourself first. Only then everything would be very easy. Along with the other stuffs, you have to perform. You have to be confident enough. Whatever the types of or whatever the number of failures is there, you should not bog down. Always keep believe yourself that whatever the failures coming in my life, that is for learning. That is only and only for learning purpose. Whatever the stuff is coming to me, accept that particular thing, we can just learn. If we fail in any particular scene, that means we are learning something. We are gaining knowledge from that particulars. That is the thing. If you follow all these particulars just been mentioned in this session, there is no difficulty or no impediments will come until or unless you are getting success. But some impediments, some hindrances, some progress stopper would definitely be there. But you have to follow all these words, this practice, perseverance, believe in yourself, calmness, composure would help you in a significant aspect to move on over whatever the people are saying, whatever the neighbors are saying, whatever your family members are saying. Just keep all those things apart and focus on your study. Or whatever the works you are doing, just focus on your task. That would help you to reach your goal. That is it. If you follow all these ways, success will definitely touch your feet soon. Good time.